All right, so we're going to need to evaluate the expression. We have two questions here, log base 3 of 729 and log base 4 of 16. So to evaluate, meaning we want a solution to this expression. So what we're going to do is set our expression log base 3 of 729, we're going to set it equal to x. And as we set it equal to x, we're going to convert this logarithmic formation into exponential form. So remember, we have a base raised to a power and it's going to equal to a number. So we have here, write it in exponential form, 3 raised to the x power, because we have a base 3 raised to the x power is equal to 729. So I want you to think about this. Fill in the missing part. What number could we put in here for x that when we raise it um, to that power, 3 raised to that power, it would give us 729. Okay, so this is where we can go in and we can use our calculator to determine, okay, our determine what that solution would be. So we can use our calculator, and I'm pulling that up right now, um, where I want to determine 3 raised what to what power. So let's clear this off here. So I want to say 3 raised to the 5th power. Would that work? Let's see. Let's clear this again. 3 raised to the 5th power. Would that give us 729? It gives us 243. So let's go to the next one. 3 raised to the 6th power. Will that give us 729? Yes, it does. Therefore, our x is going to be 6. Now, later on, we're going to talk about how to come up with a common base on both sides. And then once we come up with the common base, then we will look at the powers to see what the exponents are equal to. So we'll look at that probably in section 4.4 of the textbook on how to evaluate a logarithmic expression where you would find a common base raised to a power, and then we can drop the base and just only focus on that power. Let's look at the next example. We have log base 4 of 16. We're going to set that equal to x. And then let's convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. So what is the base here? It is 4. So 4 raised to the x power equals to 16. So what do you think x will be here? X will be 2, because 4 squared is 4 times 4, and that gives us 16. There we go.